Come thrift with me. It's a gorgeous rainy day, so might as well just stay at the thrift store for a couple hours. First thing I spotted was this blue matte frame with the flower painting. I love the soft colors, especially the blue matting. It is so unique. But I find a bit of vintage vibe that I just don't feel right for me, so I passed. Then I saw this lighthouse pencil sketch with a wooden frame. The details on the frame was so classic. I really love the wooden frame. I started in the shoe section and I saw these adorable polka dot rain boots. It's so cute, but honestly, I just don't wear rain boots enough and they feel a little bit too stiff for me. Then into the clothing section, I browsed a lot, but nothing really stood out at first. I did find a shirt, but when I turned around, the embroidery on the back wasn't my thing, so it was a no. Sometimes just one of those days where you don't find much. But just as I was thinking that, I came across two white shirts back to back. The first was a classic white shirt, the second had a cheaper texture to it, so I left it behind. At the men's short section, I picked up a pair of navy jorts. They were cute, but I already owned something very similar, so I decided to be intentional and put them back. I'm trying not to collect too many look-alike pieces. At the women's short sleeve section, I spotted this puffy sleeve striped top. Now looking back, I really should have just tried on. You never regret spending 2 minutes trying something on, but you'll definitely regret just skipping it. I kept browsing and found this soft, slightly pink tone white shirt. I like the cut, it's oversized, and the fabric feels so comfortable. I'm super picky about texture, especially around my shoulders and my neck, so feeling the fabric in person make a huge difference. Even if the cut is great, if the material bothers me, I know I won't wear it. Then I went to check out the bags. Nothing really caught my eye. At this point, my cart was pretty full, so I did a little bit elimination. I tried on those black shorts. They were too big on the waist, so back they went. I also found this brown zip-up jacket that caught my eye, but the fit just wasn't right. I picked up a pair of heels too. Since I have a couple weddings to attend this year, I've been on the lookout. These have the cutest bow detail and they actually fit me really well. I tried them on later and I ended up loving them. And of course, I couldn't skip the home section. I found these little silver tray, perfect for catching earrings and rings. And these yellow bowls were adorable, but they were only 3. And something about, dining sets not being even numbered just kind of throws me off. I had to leave them behind. Okay, fast forward to the next week, I came back to the same store. First thing I spotted were these 2 golden frame angel prints. A stunning detail, but the price just kind of stopped me. They were about $30 in total, and I just couldn't justify it. I flipped through the woman dresses and didn't find much until I came across this textured black strapless dress from Zara. It was a bit too tight all over, but I thought maybe I could turn it into a top. I also found another black dress. I tried on but just didn't love it. This baby doll dress was actually super cute, but I already have something similar in a nicer fabric, so I passed. Okay, back to tops. I didn't find much, and I must have forgotten my earpod because I usually listen to podcasts while browsing. Found this dotted white top with the cute details, but the fit was off. Then, in the large size section, I found this sandy beige polka dot top. I'm excited about this one because the fabric is perfect for another upcycle project. If you saw my last video, you know I turned a black polka dot shirt into a skirt. And I'm planning to do the same thing with this one. I also picked up a similar white polka dot top. Maybe I'll turn this one into a strapless top or skirts too. Let me show you the find of the day. Is this giant polka dot sheer dress. It's probably double XL size or larger. And stay tuned to the end. I'll show you what I plan to do with it at the end of this video. Quick stop in the home section again. The glasses were cute, but nothing good enough that I have to get them. I did check out some silver trays too. I've been baking more, so I need something to carry case for family gathering. I also found these two deep red glasses, but they were like one in each, so I just kind of passed. Okay, now it's time to head on and try everything on. First is this sheer floral top. It's so romantic, perfect for summer. I actually grabbed it on my way out of the store. It definitely last minute style. What I really love are the delicate floral details and how the sheer fabric lets just a bit of skin tone peek through, and it has this soft layering effect that feels light and dreamy. Plus it's double layer with the lining underneath, which makes it super wearable. The fit is pretty loose and I think it would look even better with the waist slightly cinched in. And I probably do a quick alteration with my sewing machine just to give it more shape. I am imagining with the pair of shorts for a cute contrasting vibe, or style with the skirt for a more flowy, romantic look. And oh my god, I just really love the sheer texture to it. It has this layering effect to it, and I'm really obsessed with this one. Okay, moving on is this tie front tank top. I feel like a lot of people already have something like this in their closet. It's such a classic summer piece, I guess. For me, it's something that I've been missing in my wardrobe. So I was happy to find it. The fabric is super breathable and comfy, which is perfect for hot days. It's just simple but cute, and it's one of those easy staples that is just nice to have on hand. Okay, next is this deep blue floral maxi dress. I really like it. The fabric is stretchy and comfy, and it has two layers, the outer floral and a soft lining underneath, which makes it feel a bit more put together. I don't usually wear floral or sundress all that much, but if I do, it'll be something like this. More neutral, less contrast, not too busy, and it feels like a piece that could actually fit into my wardrobe. I'm thinking of altering a bit since it's a little loose around my chest, but overall I think it'll be such a lovely dress for a casual summer party or even something like a birthday picnic. Okay, moving on, this is the Zara dress I picked up earlier in the video. I really love the neckline. It's just simple, flat, and it doesn't have any extra structure like anything. The fabric is this soft, crinkly, stretchy material that feels nice on the skin. The only thing I'm unsure about is the cut. It's more like a form-fitting bodycon type of cut, and it's not usually my go-to silhouette. I've been thinking about turning into a cute top instead, but tell me if that's a mistake or not. Okay, I got two sleek dresses. The first one is this baby pink dress. I just love the color and the details. It feels super airy and just delicate. And then there's this light yellow one. I really into the subtle v-neck and the shape around the chest. It's just so flattering. Both of these could also work really well as a layering pieces, which I always love having in my wardrobe. One of my favorite finds of the day is this dark gray blazer from Max. I've actually been on the hunt for the perfect shade of gray. It's something that hits the balance between office and casual, and this one just so close to what I've been looking for. I've been eyeing a similar one from Mango for a while, but it's like $100, so finding this at the thrift store is just kind of like manifestation. I do wish this neckline sits a little closer to the neck, something that's hard to come by when thrifting, but I'm still really into this silhouette. I tried on with gray trousers and it looks so good. Definitely want to play around with styling this piece a bit more, and I just can't wait. Moving on to this white shirt. And yes, I probably own at least 3 different white shirts already, but this one is different. It's 100% cotton, and you can really feel the difference in the fabric. It's soft, breathable, and not that shiny polyester stuff, and it just feels nice. I really love the way it fits. It just relaxes, and the shoulders still gives a nice shape. It kind of reminds me of the One Lore music video, and not sure if anyone feels the same, but I think I'm into it. Lately, I've been slowly moving away from super oversized fits, and I still love relaxed silhouettes, and I just had to make an exception for this shirt. The second one is this pinky white striped shirt. The stripes are super subtle, it's just enough to give it a bit of something extra compared to a plain white shirt. It's definitely oversized, but as I said, I like it. So I can totally see myself layering this over a tank top, especially on those days when it's warm in the sun but chilly in the shade. Coming up, you're gonna see lots of polka dots. I'm fully in my polka dots era right now. First up is this polka dot scarf. I just love it. At first, I wasn't totally sure how I style it. It's definitely on the longer side. I thought about wearing it around my neck, which I love, but then actually I end up tying it around my waist as a belt for the Just Day concert just a few weeks ago here in Toronto, and it was such a fun touch for the outfit. This Burberry house check inspired scarf is not actually from Burberry, but the print looks so similar. It totally gives the same classic timeless vibe. I love how versatile it is. I could wear it as a hair scarf or just tie onto a bag or around my neck, and honestly I love this one. It feels like a subtle little statement piece. This one is another polka dot scarf. It's in kind of pinkish white color and it has this tassel details. It's super girly, a little boho too, and definitely gonna go into my growing polka dot collection. And here's a polka dot top. If you've seen my other video, you know I love turning thrift tops into skirts. This one's a large size top and I'm obsessed with the pattern and the sandy beige color. It actually reminds me of something Olivia Dean would wear in this picture. And the fabric's so soft, I'm planning to turn this into a skirt for sure. Please stay tuned. If you're into what I do with it, please leave a comment below. And yep, another polka dot top. This one is for another sewing project. I might turn it into a strapless top or a skirt too. Learning to sew has been such a game changer. Now I can thrift bigger sizes and just rework them into something that fits me perfectly. But I'm not gonna lie, it does mean that I spend more time in the thrift store now, especially browsing the bigger size section. Still, I think it's totally worth it. And the grand finale is this oversized polka dot dress. What caught my eye was the fabric. It has that same sandy beige sheer texture that I'm obsessed with, just like the one I mentioned earlier. At first I thought I'll turn this into Olivia Dean skirt, but then a new idea popped in my head. I realized this could actually be the perfect wedding guest dress. Oh my god, just look at how ridiculous this dress is. Huge, and how much fabric I have to cut off. I'm thinking of removing the sleeves, cinching it all at the waist, and tailor it from the chest down to give it a more structured, flattering fit. I already have a lot of vision in mind, and honestly, the fabric is just perfect for a summer DIY piece. And if you're curious to see how I transform it, just let me know in the comments. I'd love to hear your thoughts. And that's everything I picked up this week. I hope you enjoy everything that I tried on today, and I can't wait to share the next thrift trip with you soon. So see you then. Bye.